Let us learn and enjoy. Our lesson for today is about rational equations.
What you need to know. At the end of the lesson, the learners will be able to solve rational equations. Let us have a short review. A rational expression can be written in the form a over b, where a and b are polynomials and b should not be equal to 0. Rational expressions are also called algebraic fractions. The following are examples of rational expressions. Letter A, 7 over AB. Letter B, x squared minus x plus 5 all over x plus 7. The following are not examples of rational expressions. Letter A, 2 plus the square root of x all over x. Letter B, x raised to 1/2 plus 5 all over x plus 5. What's new? A rational equation is an equation that contains one or more rational expressions. These are examples of rational equations. We can solve rational equations using the steps for performing operations with rational expressions and for solving algebraic equations. The following are the steps in solving rational equations. Number 1, eliminate the rational expressions in the equation by multiplying both sides of the equation by the LCD or the least common denominator. Number 2, solve the equation. 3, check your solution. Let's have some examples. Number 1, 5 over 8 plus x over 10 is equal to 3 over 5. The first step in solving rational equations is to eliminate the rational expressions in the equation by multiplying both sides of the equation by the LCD. The LCM of 8, 10, and 5 is 40, and we will use this as the LCD. The next step is to multiply both sides of the equation by the LCD, which is 40. Next, let us apply distributive property of multiplication. So this one will become 40 times 5 over 8 plus 40 times x over 10, which is equal to 3 over 5 multiplied by 40. Next, we can use cancellation method to eliminate the rational expressions in the equation. In the first term, 40 and 8 are both divisible by 8. So we divide both numbers by 8. So 8 divided by 8 is 1. 40 divided by 8 is 5. And 5 times 5 is 25. Divided by 1 is 25. Next, cancel 40 and 10. Both numbers are divisible by 10. 10 divided by 10 is 1. 40 divided by 10 is 4. And 4 times x is 4x divided by 1 is 4x. So we have plus 4x, which is equal to, cancel 5 and 40. Both numbers are divisible by 5. So 5 divided by 5 is 1. 40 divided by 5 is 8. And 8 times 3 is 24. Divided by 1 is 24. The next step is to solve the equation. So to solve the equation, we can start by adding negative 25 to both sides of the equation. Cancel. So we have 4x is equal to 24 plus negative 25 is negative 1. Next, to eliminate the number beside x, all we have to do is to multiply by its reciprocal, which is 1/4. So we have to multiply both sides by 1/4. 1/4 times 4 is 1, so this becomes x is equal to 1/4 times negative 1 is negative 1/4. So this will be the value of x. Let's now check if our answer is correct by substituting the value of x, which is negative 1/4, to x. So this will become 5/8 plus substitute x to negative 1/4, negative 1/4 over 10 is equal to 3/5. So this becomes 5/8 plus negative 1/4 divided by 10 is negative 1/40 is equal to 3/5. Next, let us add 5/8 and negative 1/40. The answer is 3/5, which is equal to the right side of the equation. Therefore, our answer is correct. Number 2, 1/4 is equal to 3/x minus 1/2. Remember that the first step in solving rational equations is to eliminate the rational expressions in the equation by multiplying both sides of the equation by the LCD. The LCM of 4x and 2 is 4x, and we will use this as the LCD. The next step is to multiply both sides of the equation by the LCD, which is 4x. Next, let us apply distributive property of multiplication. So this one will become 4x multiplied by 1/4 is equal to 4x multiplied by 3/x minus 4x multiplied by 1/2. Next, we can use cancellation method to eliminate the rational expressions in the equation, or just multiply the LCD to each term of the equation. Let us use cancellation method. We can cancel 4 and 4, so we have x times 1 is x is equal to, let's cancel x, so we have 4 times 3 is 12. Next, cancel 4 and 2. Both numbers are divisible by 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So 2 times x times 1 is 2x divided by 1 is 2x. So we have minus 2x. The next step is to solve the equation. To solve the equation, we can start by adding positive 2x. Cancel. So x plus 2x is 3x is equal to 12. To find the value of x, all we have to do is to multiply 3 by its reciprocal, which is 1/3. 1/3 times 3 is 1, so we have x is equal to 1/3 times 12 is 12/3, or 4. So x is equal to 4. Let us check our answer. Let us substitute the value of x in the given equation. So we have 1/4 is equal to 3 over, let us replace x to 4. So this will be over 4 minus 1/2. So this becomes 1/4 is equal to 3/4 minus 1/2 is 1/4, which is equal to the other side of the equation. Therefore, our answer is correct. Number 3, x plus 8 over x is equal to 6. First, let us eliminate the rational expression in the equation by multiplying both sides of the equation by the LCD. Obviously, the LCD here is x. The next step is to multiply both sides of the equation by the LCD, which is x. Next, let us apply distributive property of multiplication. So we have x times x plus x times 8 over x, which is equal to 6 times x. So x times x is x squared plus, we can cancel x, so we have 8 is equal to 6 times x is 6x. The next step is to solve the equation. Let us start by adding negative 6x to both sides of the equation. Cancel. So we have x squared minus 6x plus 8 is equal to 0. Next, let us find the factors of x squared minus 6x plus 8. So we have x minus 4 and x minus 2. So this will be equal to 0. Then let us solve for x. Let us equate each factor to 0. So we have x minus 4 is equal to 0 and x minus 2 is equal to 0. So we have x is equal to 4 and x is equal to 2. Let us check our answer. Let us substitute the value of x in the given equation. Let's start with 4. So we will replace all x in the equation to 4. So the equation will become, substitute x to 4. So this becomes 4 plus 8 over, replace x to 4, is equal to 6. Next, we have 4 plus 8 divided by 4 is 2, is equal to 6. 4 plus 2 is 6, which is equal to 6. Since they are equal, therefore, 4 is a solution to the given equation. Let's proceed to 2. Let us now substitute x to 2. So the equation will become 2 plus 8 over 2 is equal to 6. So we have 2 plus 8 divided by 2 is 4 is equal to 6. 2 plus 4 is 6 is equal to 6. Since they are equal, 2 is also a solution to the equation. So we have x is equal to 4 and 2. Number 4, x plus 3 over x minus 3 is equal to 6 over 9. The first step in solving rational equations is to eliminate the rational expressions in the equation by multiplying both sides of the equation by the LCD. The LCD of x minus 3 and 9 is 9 multiplied by x minus 3. The next step is to multiply both sides of the equation by the LCD, which is 9 multiplied by x minus 3. So we can cancel x minus 3 on the left side of the equation. So we have 9 multiplied by x plus 3 is equal to, we can cancel 9 on the right side of the equation. So we have 6 multiplied by x minus 3. Next, let us apply distributive property of multiplication. So we have 9 times x is 9x. 9 times positive 3 is positive 27 is equal to 6 times x is 6x. 6 times negative 3 is negative 18. The next step is to solve the equation. We can start by adding negative 6x to both sides of the equation. Cancel. Next, add negative 27. Cancel. 9x plus negative 6x is positive 3x is equal to negative 18 plus negative 27 is negative 45. The next step is to multiply both sides of the equation by the reciprocal of 3, which is 1/3. So 1/3 times 3 is 1. So we have x is equal to 1/3 times negative 45 is negative 45 over 3, which is equal to negative 15. So the value of x is negative 15. Let us now check if our answer is correct. Let us substitute the value of x in the given equation. So all x in the given equation will be replaced to negative 15. So we have negative 15 plus 3 over negative 15 minus 3 is equal to 6 over 9. Negative 15 plus 3 over negative 15 minus 3 is equal to 2 over 3. And 6 over 9 in lowest terms, this is equal to 2 over 3. And since they are equal, therefore, negative 15 is the solution to the given equation. Number 5. X plus 2 all over 3 plus 4 is equal to x plus 9 all over 2. Again, the first step in solving rational equations is to eliminate the rational expressions in the equation by multiplying both sides of the equation by the LCD. The LCM of 3 and 2 is 6, so we will use this as the LCD. The next step is to multiply both sides of the equation by the LCD, which is 6. Then we can apply distributive property of multiplication. So we have 6 multiplied by x plus 2 all over 3 plus 6 times 4 is equal to x plus 9 all over 2 multiplied by 6. We can cancel 6 and 3. Both numbers are divisible by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So let us distribute 2 to the binomial. So we have 2 times x is 2x. 2 times positive 2 is positive 4. Plus 6 times 4 is 24 is equal to 2 and 6 are both divisible by 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Again, we will distribute 3 to the binomial. So x times 3 is 3x. Positive 9 times 3 is positive 27. The next step is to solve the equation. We can start by combining like terms, so we can combine positive 4 and positive 24. So this will become 2x. Positive 4 plus 24 is positive 28 is equal to 3x plus 27. Next, let us add negative 2x to both sides of the equation. Cancel. Then add negative 27. Cancel. So we have positive 28 plus negative 27 is positive 1, which is equal to 3x plus negative 2x is x. So x is equal to positive 1. Let us check our answer. Let us substitute x to positive 1. So we have 1 plus 2 over 3 plus 4 is equal to 1 plus 9 over 2. 1 plus 2 is 3, divided by 3 is 1, plus 4 is 5, which is equal to 1 plus 9 is 10, divided by 2 is 5. Since they are equal, therefore, positive 1 is a solution to the equation. Number 6, y plus 3 over y minus 1 is equal to 4 over y minus 1. What do you observe in example number 6? The denominators are the same. Since the denominators are the same, the numerators must be equivalent as well. So this will become y plus 3 is equal to 4. So let us now solve the equation by adding negative 3 to both sides of the equation. Cancel. So we have y is equal to positive 1. Let us check our answer. Let us replace the value of y in the given equation by positive 1. So we have 1 plus 3 over 1 minus 1 is equal to 4 over 1 minus 1. 1 plus 3 is 4 and 1 minus 1 is 0. This is equal to 4 over 0. Take note that division by 0 is undefined. Thus, 1 is a false solution, and the equation has no solution. Such false solutions are often called extraneous solution. An extraneous solution is an apparent solution that does not solve its equation. Number 7, we have 2 over x squared minus 1 minus 1 over x minus 1 is equal to 1/2. Take note that x squared minus 1 is a difference of two squares. And this is equal to x plus 1 multiplied by x minus 1. So this will become 2 all over x plus 1 multiplied by x minus 1 minus 1 over x minus 1 is equal to 1/2. Take note that we have the same factors. So the LCD is equal to 2 multiplied by x plus 1 multiplied by x minus 1. The next step is to multiply the equation by the LCD. Let's start with multiplying the first term with the LCD. So as you can see, we can cancel x plus 1 and x minus 1. So we have 2 multiplied by 2, we have 4. So the next step is to multiply the second term with the LCD. As you can see, we can cancel x minus 1. So we have 1 and 2 times x plus 1. So we have minus 2 multiplied by x plus 1 is equal to, next multiply 1/2 and the LCD. As you can see, we can cancel 2. So we have x plus 1 multiplied by x minus 1. We can now solve the equation. Let us first apply distributive property of multiplication. So we have 4. Negative 2 times x is negative 2x. Negative 2 times positive 1 is negative 2 is equal to, again, this is the sum and difference of two squares. So this is equal to x squared minus 1. Next, let us combine like terms. We can combine 4 and negative 2. So we have positive 2 minus 2x is equal to x squared minus 1. So we have 2 minus 2x is equal to x squared minus 1. Let us add positive 2x to both sides of the equation. Cancel. Then add negative 2. Cancel. So this will become 0 is equal to x squared plus 2x. Negative 1 plus negative 2 is negative 3. Next, let us find the factors of the given trinomial. So we have x plus 3 and x minus 1 is equal to 0. Then let us solve for x. So we have x plus 3 is equal to 0 and x minus 1 is equal to 0. So this is equal to x is equal to negative 3 and x is equal to positive 1. Let us check our answer. Let us substitute the value of x in the given equation. Let us start with negative 3. So this will become 2 over the square of negative 3 minus 1 minus 1 over negative 3 minus 1 is equal to 1/2. Let us use scientific calculator. So we have 1/2 is equal to 1/2. Since they are equal, therefore, negative 3 is a solution to the equation. Let's have positive 1. Let us replace all x to positive 1. So this will become 2 over the square of 1 minus 1 minus 1 over 1 minus 1 is equal to 1/2. So we have 2 over 1 squared is 1 minus 1 is 0 minus 1 over 1 minus 1 is 0 is equal to 1/2. Remember, we cannot divide a number by 0. In this case, 1 is not a solution to the equation. Therefore, the only solution to the equation is when x is equal to -3. This is the reason why it is important to check all solutions in the original equation. You may find that some may yield untrue statements. What you need to remember. A rational equation is an equation that contains one or more rational expressions. And these are the steps in solving rational equations. Number 1, eliminate the rational expressions in the equation by multiplying both sides of the equation by the LCD. 2, solve the equation. 3, check your solution.
Thank you everyone for watching this video. Truly, learning mathematics is fun. See you in our next video. Have a good day!